Question number 1. Jock itch also called as Option A. Tinea pedis. Option B. Tinea cruris. Option C. Tinea capititis. Option D. Tinea corporis. And the answer is option B. Tinea cruris. Jock itch. Jock itch is a fungal skin infection that causes an itchy rash in warm, moist areas of the body. The rash often affects the groin and inner thighs and may be shaped like a ring. The condition is also called tinea cruris. Question number 2. Extra energy allowance needed per day during pregnancy. Option A. 100 kilocalorie. Option B. 300 kilocalorie. Option C. 500 kilocalorie. Option D. 1000 kilocalorie. And the answer is option B. 300 kilocalorie. Extra calorie needed in pregnancy per day is 220 to 350 calorie. In lactation, 500 calorie additional needed per day. Question number 3. Submerged portion of the iceberg represents Option A. Undiagnosed cases. Option B. Clinical cases. Option C. Dead cases. Option D. Treated cases. And the answer is option A. Undiagnosed cases. According to iceberg of disease concept, a small floating tip of iceberg represent clinical cases and vast submerged portion represents hidden or undiagnosed cases of disease into a community. Question number 4. What is the full form of TNAI? Option A. Training in Nursing at All India level. Option B. Trained Nurses of All India. Option C. Trained Nurses Association of India. Option D. Training in Nurses at International level. And the answer is option C. Trained Nurses Association of India. Question number 5. First step in the process of community health planning. Option A. Setting goals and objectives. Option B. Analyzing health needs. Option C. Establishing priority. Option D. Formulating community health action plan. And the answer is option B. Analyzing health needs. The process of community health planning involves the following steps as in order are: analysis of the health need of the community, establishment of objectives and goals, assessment of resources, establishing priorities, writing of formulated plan, implementation, monitoring and evaluation. Question number 6. The term OSC refers to Option A. Objective Structured Clinical Examination. Option B. Objective Strategic Clinical Examination. Option C. Objective Strategic Clinical Evaluation. Option D. Objective Structured Critical Evaluation. And the answer is option A. OSC is a modern type of examination used in health science. It is designed to test clinical skill performance and competence in skill like communication, clinical examination, etc. Question number 7. Which part of the mind is associated with practical reality principle? Option A. ID. Option B. Ego. Option C. Superego. Option D. Hyperego. And the answer is option B. Ego. According to Freud, personality of every person consists of 3 major components or subsystem. That is ID, Ego and superego. ID is the part of personality present at the time of birth. It works on pleasure principle. Ego searches reality, that how to fulfill desires, and it work on reality principle. Superego decides the nature of desire or action, whether right or wrong, and work on principle of perfection or ideal. Question number 8. Green Armitage forceps used in Option A. Head and neck surgeries. Option B. Orthopedic surgeries. Option C. Obstetrics and gynecology surgeries. Option D. Suturing. And the answer is option C. Obstetrics and gynecology surgeries. Green Armitage forceps are used to control bleeding and clamp tissues during surgical procedures, especially in obstetrics and gynecology. Question number 9. What is the drug of choice for post-operative shivering? Option A. Mannitol. Option B. Tramadol. Option C. Paracetamol. Option D. Pethidine. And the answer is option D. Pethidine. Question number 10. The symptoms of severe dehydration in an adult include all of the following except Option A. Decreased thirst. Option B. Dizziness. Option C. Weakness. Option D. Palpitations. And the answer is option A. Decreased thirst. Dehydration is characterized by thirst, orthostatic hypertension, tachycardia, rapid thready pulse, oliguria, weakness, dizziness, hypernatremia, hyperosmolality, coated tongue, sunken eyes, weight loss, decreased skin turgor.